Hey guys, welcome back. I missed this series of creating easy ZBrush technique, so this video it will be a short one and maybe mostly for beginners in ZBrush. I have this project that I think I will never finish because I always appear something else to do and another project. Anyway, I just want to show you. Let's say that I want to create another rock over here, so let's press Ctrl and let's mask this area, and let's go to, I'm already on subtool, extract, let's make it bigger, extract, and press accept. Press Ctrl Alt to unmask this, and I know, let's play just a bit using clay. So let's say that this is a rock. Usually what I was doing in the past is I was duplicate this one. If we have geometry, I will delete lower and then go into deformation, figure out what axis we are. I think we are X right now, and let's press Mirror, and here we go, we have on the other side, but we have two subtools. So let's delete this once. Let's go back to this rock, and now we have actually we have for some while we have a new option that I'm using all the time. I need to go to geometry. Let's have some divide, and then we need to delete lower, and from geometry we can go to modify topology, and we already have mirror and weld. So if we press this one, as you can see, let's Ctrl Z and press again, we have another rock over here and mirror it. The cool thing is that we can go to reconstruct, subdivide, and here we go, we have all subdivides back in place. So that's it. As I said, this is a short video. I think this mirror and weld is way better and extremely faster. This is a short video for beginners to speed up your modeling technique. On another topic, if you want, I want to recommend you a book that I recently finished reading. It's called 1984, a novel by George Orwell. I love it. I think it will be from now on a long time one of my favorite books. The ending, it's amazing. I mean, I think it's pretty contemporary right now with what's happening and what's happening with our own opinion. That's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to like, subscribe, because it's really helped me, and see you on next video. Take care.